guys, this is Jeanette from China, and this is the 4th episode of Sourcing from China. Today we are going to discuss about a topic that has bothered many e-commerce business owners in the sourcing process, to buy from a factory or to buy from a trading company. If you're also bothered with this above issue and if you want to save money and efforts and have a smooth transaction process, please watch till the end of this video. Okay, let's get started. Recently, we have received a lot of sourcing requests like the following. Let's see whether you have similar questions as well.
Hi, I want to buy directly from factory or manufacturer. I don't want to buy from a trading company or broker. Could you please find me a factory? And I want to talk to them directly.
How to verify that the seller on Alibaba is a trading company or a real factory? I don't want to deal with a trading company.
Hey, could you please find me a freight forwarder that can send my cargo from China to the US? Because my factory cannot do CIF.
Well, the reason of asking the above question is pretty simple, to save money. Because a lot of us have this kind of assumption that buying from a trading company will reduce our profit margin, while buying from a factory directly can save us a lot of money. But is that true? First of all, let's look at the difference between the factory and a trading company. So what is a factory?
Definition of factory from Merriam-Webster. Factory is a building or set of buildings with facilities for manufacturing.
And what is a trading company?
In China, a trading company is a legal entity registered in China with import and export business license.
As a buyer or importer, when you purchase products from China, you're always dealing with a company in the first place. And based on the business license and the facilities that a company has, we can further categorize the company into 3 types.
Type A Company. The company has manufacturing facilities but does not have import and export business license in China. Type B Company. The company does not have manufacturing facilities but has import and export business license in China. Type C Company. The company has its own manufacturing facilities as well as import and export business license in China.
Now, let's look at the special features of each type of the company and the dynamic working relationships among the 3. First of all, Type A Company. The company only has manufacturing facilities, but does not have import or export business license. Usually, Type A company focus on production and distribution of the product domestically in China. For export business, Type A company does not handle it internally. They outsource this business to companies that has import and export business license, such as Type B or Type C company, either because they don't want to bother about logistics or export documentation, or nobody in the factory is familiar with customs declaration, or nobody speaks foreign language in the factory. And since Type A company does not have export license, they cannot receive foreign exchange as payment for the cargo. Next, Type B Company. The company does not have manufacturing facilities, but have import and export business license, and thus they can receive foreign currency as payment in China. The reason to set up this type of business is because they have professionals that can handle export documentation, such as customs declaration, or they have foreign language professionals to communicate with overseas customers, or they do not want to invest in manufacturing facilities because a production line can easily cost up to millions. So Type B company might work with Type A or Type C companies who has manufacturing facilities to produce a product. Finally, we come to Type C company, who has both manufacturing facilities as well as import and export business license. So some people might say, okay, that's great, we will simply deal with Type C company since they have both. But wait a minute, let's see how really Type C company works. For production, depends on the type of the product, especially those that requires extra or different production lines. Type C company usually work with other Type A and Type C companies to coordinate the production. For overseas marketing and sales, Type C company might work with other Type B and Type C companies to promote the business. By now, maybe you have a better understanding of different types of companies you will encounter in the sourcing process. As an overseas buyer, in most cases, you will not deal with Type A company directly, because based on the law of China, only companies that have import and export business license can establish a bank account to receive foreign exchange, such as a US dollar or euro. As an overseas buyer, your counterparty will always be either Type B company or Type C company, and never be Type A company. And probably you're gonna ask, between B and C, which one can offer a better price? It really depends on the product you are purchasing. And here we categorize the product into 3 types: unbranded generic product, branded products, and customized products. Number 1, unbranded generic products. Usually these products can be found on Alibaba, and most sellers on Alibaba are either Tybe B Company or Type C Company. Some Alibaba sellers these days can sell one piece as product sample at a higher price than their normal wholesale price. However, these days the market is super transparent, so if you can buy one piece from these platforms, probably your customer can do it as well, right? So if you're selling generic product, it's very important to find a market niche and differentiate what you can offer from what Alibaba can offer. Number 2, branded products. Branded products are usually produced by either Type A company or Type C company with exclusive distribution channel. If the manufacturing company has a trading branch with import and export business license, they can distribute the products by themselves. And in order to increase the sales and market coverage, they can also distribute the product through other Type B and Type C company, which we call authorized distributor. Some people might say, okay, if that is the case, we're going to buy from the original producer who has a trading branch instead of from their distributors. However, for branded cargo, sometimes you can get a much better deal from authorized distributor because their purchasing quantity is big, and usually they can get a good discount from the original producer, while you as the new customer or individual can hardly get such good price. Number 3, customize the products. Some sellers on Alibaba also provides customization services, and if your product has multiple parts to be customized, you need to contact them one by one, and to make sure that they understand your requirements clearly. While if you're very busy managing the shop, we can help you in the sourcing process, and we can discuss your customization requirements with different manufacturers and coordinate the whole production process for you. If you want to know more about how we can help you in the sourcing process, welcome to visit our website. Alright, that's all for today. If you have questions, welcome to send me messages or leave us a comment. If you like my video, welcome to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.